to your phone or your device. So on Android, yeah, only on Android. But I think it is still possible on an Apple. I'm not sure. Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download videos from X, which is formerly known as Twitter. So here I am currently in my phone. I am on an Android phone, and I am currently on an X app, and we want to download videos that we find here on the platform. So for example, this one video by CS2 News, I want to download this video and so that I can watch it on my lonesome, in my leisure. I like this video. So what you just need to do is to go over here in the top right corner of this section here. This is the CS2 News section. The bottom right, the share button here, and you just copy the link. And from there, you go to Google Chrome, and then we search up Twitter to let's say MP4. It's like that's what the common video type is. So let's say Twitter. So I'm just gonna use the first link that I find on the search results. So I'm just gonna paste the video that we got from Twitter or from the X, and then click on download. Just remove that suggestion. And as you can see, we have here which type we want to download, which resolution we have, from 576 to 1024, 480 to 852. We can even use their app, 20 to 568, or we can convert it to MP3. So just remember that this website is only one of a lot of other websites that you can use in order to download videos from Twitter or from X. So I'm just going to use this one. There's going to be an ad, and I'm going to use the one without an ad. So 480 times 852, and now it's already been downloaded that fast. Now we can open the file, and as you can see, we have that downloaded video. It even has the audio of the video, so it's that easy. So that is how you can download videos from X on Android to your phone or your device. So on Android, yeah, only on Android. But I think it is still possible on an Apple. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with an Apple though. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.